Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name's Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video I'm going to be stepping inside a BMW X7, it's brand new. I'm going to be showing you guys how the Autowatch Ghost 2 immobilization system works. If you're new to the channel, haven't seen this before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Other than that guys, let's get started. So now I'm sat inside the brand new BMW X7. So what I've got is the factory key in my hand. Basically what the Autowatch Ghost Immobilizer is doing is, even though you have factory key in your hand, what it's doing is basically stopping the vehicle from starting unless you have a vehicle specific code which is completely customized to what you set. So what we do, we set the code straight away on the install. Then what we do is, during the handover, we show you how to change that code. We do that together, we change the code to something else, and then we ask you to change the code again, but by yourself outside. Basically, the reason why we do that is because we believe in going through every single step with you. So we explain every inch of it, plus it means that you guys get to sit outside, change the code. If you get stuck, we're right here, we can help you out. And it's just getting used to it, and that's probably the most difficult thing to do on the Ghost Immobilizer, is change the code. However, it's incredibly easy once you've done it once or twice, and that's why we always go through that with you. We're not sort of company that's going to chuck you the keys and just let you go. We go through everything, and there's a proper handover procedure on the Ghost 2 Immobilizer. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So I've got the factory key, vehicle is off at the moment. What I'm going to do is just start the vehicle, so foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle starts. So the vehicle is now started up. You may be thinking, well, it's an immobilizer, it's not supposed to start. On the BMWs, the way these work is when I'm going to select geared, so I'm going to go into drive, for instance, but it works from reverse as well. But as soon as I engage drive, vehicle dies. Basically, it's what's called a gearbox lock on the system. So what it's doing is, as soon as you go to drive that vehicle basically goes straight back into park and dies completely. And you need your code to start the vehicle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start up the vehicle again and enter my unique code. So we've set this for demonstration purposes. Like I said, we're going to be changing that over with the customer. So I'm going to start up the vehicle again, vehicle starts, and my code at the moment is plus minus on your steering wheel. However, this is customizable. There's loads of different button options that you can choose from as well. We'll go through all of that, and they do vary from vehicle to vehicle. So if you own a BMW X7 looking to secure your asset, this is exactly how the system works. However, vehicles can differ. We can go through all of that during either a consultation where you come by, see us, visit us, see where your car's going to be worked on. Alternatively, we can do that over the phone. Bear in mind that all of our installs do get carried out from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So once I've inputted my code, you get two little flashes of the indicators to basically say I've got my code correct. Once I've got my code correct, I'm now, when I select drive, it's not going to cut out. So I'm in drive now, it hasn't cut out, and I'm good to drive away. So basically, that's in essence how easy it is to drive the car with the Ghost 2 Immobilizer installed. Ghost 2 basically is a newer software version, as well as the fact it's got an application that you can download via your phone. We do normally recommend that you keep to this sort of situation here, where you've got factory key and you input your code manually. It's a little bit more of a secure method. Plus, it means that if your phone is missing or anything, that you don't forget the code that way as well. So a really nice little solution there, but in essence, that's how the Autowatch Ghost system works on a BMW X7. Thank you for watching our very short video on an explanation on how the Autowatch Ghost 2 Immobilizer works on a brand new BMW X7. If you're interested in this product, want to have it installed by a professional here in Cambridge, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It will keep you updated with all our future videos, but we'll also drop all our links below. But you can check us out on all our social media platforms, as well as we've got a dedicated page on our website available for you to look up some more information on the Autowatch Ghost system. But thank you very much again, guys. If you hit that subscribe button below, it'd be much appreciated. Other than that, we're all done. Thank you.